She finna do anal hair with water and a toothpick.
Welcome, I'm Kitty Krystyle, and what's good? Recently I did a poll, am I due for another retwist video? And you guys said yes. It's taking too damn long. Yes, I wait that long because I do not like to keep retwisting my children's hair. I like for the hair to be thick and healthy. No, I don't do that. Sorry, this ain't the channel. And this will be a water only retwist, and I will be using some toothpicks because I couldn't find my pick comb. I just cut the ends of this toothpick so that it wouldn't be too sharp. I'd rather these toothpicks over a toothpick comb anyway because it makes the parts look even sharper and cleaner. So yeah. Yes, if you guys are interested in watching me transform this legit head, then keep watching. Okay, so now I'm just shampooing the hair. And as I'm rubbing my fingers through his hair, I'm also breaking the dreads apart. This is gonna be like the ghettoest retwist video y'all ever seen. This isn't bottled water, this is tap water, but I just put it in the bottle, you know, to glam it up a little bit. But I put the water in this old Shea Moisture Reconstructed Finisher bottle. Oh, that's a lot of words. To spray. And oh gosh, this thing ain't even working. What am I gonna do? This ain't even working. Who broke this? I am fixing to put this water in my hand and just put it in my hand, get my hands wet, and just rub it in his hair and retwist. We're gonna really have to thud this out. We're gonna thud this out, but this is gonna be a raw ass retwist. Water and tooth. I already did a little part in the back, so I'm just moving the hairs out of the way, because it's so messy. And I'm just gonna take my fingers and try to part it best as I can with my fingers. Okay, I'm just gonna clip this right here. I'm gonna take the toothpick. Once I got my clean square, I'm gonna take some of that water, just pour a little bit in my hand. Y'all, please don't do this. Please do not do this. But I am just using this because I don't have nothing. I can't find my spray bottle. And then I tried to use this don't work. I'm just gonna take the hair, I'm just gonna twist it like that. And hold it, twist it like that. That's all I'm doing, over and over. Some people like to do this, but his hair is too long for that. And then I'm just gonna take it all the way down, like rubbing all the hairs together like this. See? There we go. And I'm gonna continue on doing the same thing. So sharp and clean. That's why I love parting with these toothpicks. Because I'm not using any other product other than water, that's why I'm doing it while it's still kind of wet, kind of damp. You don't need all that product, you know, you don't need all that retwist gel and stuff like that. All you need is water. I'm just gonna plait that up like that to make sure it doesn't unravel. I would say retwist like this if you're a beginner, like holding it at the root and just retwisting like that. But if you're a pro, you know, you can just grab that thing and just go with the flow, you know? Okay, so I'm back, and as you can see, I got a lot of it done. And when I'm done, I'm gonna have my husband to give him a tape up. But I don't know if my husband will be back in time, so that you guys could see him with his hair retwisted with the tape up. So yeah. This is the finished look. Hope you guys enjoyed. I told y'all it's gonna be fly, create this style with just toothpicks and water. So you don't need all that fancy stuff. Tell your loctician she ain't gotta do all of that. She ain't even gotta do all of that. I like it like this. Okay.